Why wrist mobility matters.
Wrist mobility is crucial for both typing and lifting. If your wrists are stiff or weak, you might feel pain, fatigue, or even risk injury over time. By adding simple mobility movements to your routine, you can help protect your wrists, improve performance, and enjoy your favorite activities with less discomfort.
Warm up with wrist circles.
Wrist circles are an easy way to increase blood flow and prepare your joints. Hold your arms out in front of you. Slowly rotate your wrists in gentle circles 10 times in each direction. This movement loosens tight muscles and promotes healthy range of motion, making it a great warm-up before typing or lifting.
Palm and finger stretch.
Stretching your palms and fingers helps reduce tension from repetitive tasks. Extend an arm with your palm facing up. Use your other hand to gently pull back your fingertips, stretching your forearm. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. This stretch eases tightness often caused by long hours at the keyboard or gripping weights.
Tabletop wrist extension.
For a deeper stretch, try the tabletop wrist extension. Place your hands on a table, fingers pointing toward you. Gently lean back to feel a stretch along your wrists and forearms. Hold for 15 seconds and repeat as needed. This move targets areas most prone to tightness from both typing and lifting.
Grip and release exercise.
Improving grip strength and flexibility can also help prevent wrist pain. Squeeze a soft ball or rolled towel in your hand, then slowly release. Repeat this motion several times with each hand. Regular practice can boost circulation, strengthen muscles, and support wrist health for both daily tasks and workouts.
Building a wrist-friendly routine.
Include these movements in your daily routine to keep your wrists pain-free and strong. Aim to practice them before typing sessions or lifting workouts. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain. With just a few minutes each day, you can protect your wrists and support long-term comfort and performance.